This is a quick tutorial for 8th grade writing numbers in scientific notation, page 7 in your packet. Now remember, when you're writing scientific notation, you're going to have two factors. You're going to have some number times 10 to some power. The first number can be greater than or equal to 1, but less than 10. A good way to remember that is you can only have one number in front of the decimal. For example, 4,944,000. We're going to write this in scientific notation. Now we're going to start where our decimal currently is, which is at the end. Every whole number has a decimal at the end of it, whether it's there or not. And we're going to move that decimal as many place values as it takes so that we only have one number in front of the decimal, and that'll put us in the between 1 and 10 category. Okay, so if it's here now, I know that I want my decimal here, and we're going to count those hops. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the number of times we move our decimal is the exponent, or the power of 10. The first factor is going to be these numbers right here and include all of them. So 4.944. So in scientific notation, this number would be 4.944 times 10 to the 6th power. Now let's take a look at this one. We're going to do the same thing, except this time we have a teeny tiny number, a number that is less than 1, because our whole number here is a 0. It's going to change the way our exponent looks. Let me show you. Okay, we're still going to move our decimal so that we only have one number in front of the decimal. Now we're going to start here and we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's going to be our exponent, and this is still going to be our first factor, but it's going to change just a little bit. 4.944 times 10 to the negative 4th power. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 spaces. Okay, the reason we use a negative exponent, we do that with these really, really small numbers. 4 million, that's a very large number, so it gets a positive exponent. This has a 0 for a whole number, and then